Hi everyone, this is Alice from Longhe Energy Saving Company. Now let me introduce our push and pull out modular container house for you. Let's go. Okay, and now by the side of our modular house, you can see this kind of a house consists of two parts. The outer container and the inner container, and there is a rail here. This is the secret that this kind of house can be pulled out and pushed in. You just need to find the 3 people to push in and pull out. Now let's see what materials we use for the bottom, roof, and the wall for this house. Go. Okay, let's see the bottom. You can see there is a color steel skin panel here in the bottom, and the galvanized steel frame and the rock wall. The thickness of the rock wall is 100 millimeter. You know, rock wall is a very good material for insulation and fire resistance. And on the surface there is a OSB board. The board is very thick, you can see, and then you will push the SPC floor on the surface on the board. Here is the bottom. And also for the outer container, the frame will be almost the same. And this is for the inner container, the wall and the roof. You can see here is the OSB board, the SPF wood keel, and rock wall insulation material, and another OSB board. The wall and the roof are coated with a very magical material called polyurea. It's very strong, and it can make the soft material very strong. Let's see it. This is the wood. You can see. So don't worry about the strength of the wall, and the water roof is very good. You can see we use double layer tempered glass for the door and the windows. Let's see about the inside of the wall, the house. This is the bed. It can be pushed up and down. If you don't use it, just push it up, so you can get more space for you. And for this side of the wall, you can put a TV here. And here is a closet. You can hang your clothes here, and you can put your shoes here. Here is the stainless sink and water tap. You can pull out the head and wash for all directions. And here is a little refrigerator, and here is the oven. And you can see there are many spaces for you pushing something, so don't worry about nowhere to push something. And here is the wash basin in the bathroom. You can see there is a smart mirror here, and the water tank. The head also can be pulled out, and here you can wash your clothes here. There is a cabinet here, and also a washing machine here. It saves space very much. There is a little window in the bathroom. There is the toilet. materials of the floor, ceiling, interior wall, hanging panel, and